Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You already have admin rights and a current backup. That's essential. First, open Control Panel or Settings and navigate to Recovery. Search for System Restore to reach the dialog quickly. Once there, view available restore points and note the exact date and time of the point you want to delete so you don't remove the wrong one. Make sure to pause any active updates. This prevents interference while you modify restore point data. Now you'll remove the restore point using disk cleanup to safely clear system restore data. Run disk cleanup as administrator on the system drive, choose Cleanup System Files, then switch to the More Options tab. Under System Restore and Shadow Copies, click Cleanup and confirm removal of all but the most recent restore point. This removes restore point data at the file system level while preserving current protection. Once done, verify free space increased to confirm the operation succeeded. Finish by restarting your PC to ensure all cleanup tasks complete. This helps release locks on system files. After reboot, open System Restore again to confirm the targeted restore point is gone and that the latest point remains intact. If you encounter errors or restore points persist, check Event Viewer for related disk or VSS errors and run sfc/scano to repair system files. If issues continue, create a fresh restore point and then attempt cleanup again to reset the restore store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.